To make this roasted vegetarian grilled cheese sandwich, we're gonna need bread, cheese, garlic butter, your choice of vegetables such as artichokes, tomatoes, green peppers, olives, onions, and salt, pepper, and red chili flakes for seasoning. This recipe makes enough grilled cheese for about 3 to 4 people. So to start, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of cheese. Here I'm using the 4 cheese. It's up to you which type you want to use. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of tomatoes, 1/4 cup of artichoke, and 1/4 cup of onions. And to that we'll add in 1/4 cup of green peppers and 1/4 cup of olives. Then to that we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of the red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Once you've added that in, you want to mix that in really well. Next, we're going to start assembling our grilled cheeses. So to start, you want to heat up the griddle to medium hot heat. You want it to be nice and hot for when you put your grilled cheese sandwich on top. Then you want to take your bread and butter one side of each of the bread pieces. Then you want to place the buttered side onto the heated griddle and place some of your veggie and cheese mixture on top of that. Once you've added enough to your satisfaction, you want to take another bread piece and make sure that the buttered side is facing away from the cheese. So basically you want to make sure that the buttered side is always facing the heated griddle. This will allow it to become nice and crispy, and when you flip it over, the other side will also become nice and crispy. As you can see, the grilled cheese sandwiches are picking up the marks from the heated griddle and they're starting to crisp up. With that, this recipe comes to an end. This sandwich tastes great and it is really easy to make. It is filled with lots of delicious vegetables and it is nice and cheesy. You can enjoy this with a side of pickles or if you would like some chips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.